Alright, so after composite functions again, I think I'm gonna probably change the marker because it kind of not so bright. Anyways, composite again, we have two functions. F of x is equal to 2x plus 10 and g of x is equal to 4x minus 3. Yes, this is a minus 3. Now, what I should have told you guys was that for composite functions, you basically have three type of questions. You have the one them are kind of, let me say, they're very literal. Then you have the ones where you have to infer, and then you have the critical level one. Now the first one we did, it was a bit inferential, right? Then now we have the critical one where it kind of involve fractions, which may go in the next video. Yeah, the one they involve fractions. I'll just write this composite. Yeah. So the other one, the more critical one, it involves fraction and it asks a question such as show that this is equal to that, as well as it asks for find the answer for the function to be undefined or defined on them something. So now the one we are going to do now are kind of the literal one, them kind of easier. In other words, are the easiest one we are going to do now. Because I'm kind of going to do the other on them first, now we're going to do the easy one. So we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 10 and g of x is equal to 4x minus 3. Then now they may ask you to find something like this, f of 3. Now this is actually the first form of composite function. Well, the easiest, and not really the first one, but the easiest type of composite function. So here we have f of 3. Now how do you guys go about that? Well, it's very simple. Just as though when I did the one to say f of g of x, for this one already do you substitute g of x into the function f. Well, are the same thing for this, but instead of having g of x, which is another function, I just have a number. So for this one, alright, for if you have f of g of x, then you know that put g of x, which is all of this, into this function, which is f, right? Now you have another question, which is f of 3. So what do you guys think you should do? Yes, you're correct. All you should do is put the 3 into the function f. Just as how the other one, you put g into the function f, g of x, which is another function, into the function f. But this one, no, you're going to just put the number 3 in the function f. So we know the composite function again. We write the outermost function, which is the f, and f was 2x plus 10, so we put 2. And we know say anywhere which part of the bracket there, anywhere which part of the 3 there, we put a bracket. Anywhere which part the x is, we put a bracket. So I write 2. So I write in the x, I put a bracket. Then we just finish at the function, which is plus 10.